Recording.
Which one? Yeah. No, I meant which. There's 3 of them.
Damn you, here, guys.
No, what?
That's our crash. Oh, sorry, we won't do that. He's a crash himself. What the hell? There's no motorcycle here.
My man's rocking the sweats. He came for comfort. Hi. Right now we only know his first name.
Okay.
Might have him on Facebook. In Facebook, he has a bicep tattoo.
Okay.
I don't know if we could cut his sleeves when you're finished with whatever you need to do.
Okay.
We have no idea. So we'll see if David Sims has a camera angle of the Camry at least entering progress at some point.
That's a good idea.
Because the engine was like a little warm, but it could have been hours.
It's probably been hours.
They're checking their cameras. They don't have angle of it, but they're going to see if the building shakes just to get it timed.
Right. I guess you heard the.
Yeah.
Just if you're gonna lucky
One's still in there.
Alright. I gotta do it.
Did you tell dispatch that they're here? A lot of them.
Oh, you told me this.
What's that? Yeah, what? 55 lines, obviously, you know, I'm not a
I came on. Do you want me to be with Emmy and then you can help crash invest? Or?
This is Officer Zielinski and Officer Galante, the training officer.
Okay.
One car crash up against the building, an hour from the 72. Deceased inside the car, another deceased inside the pod, and then the survivor is the driver and she got wiped out.
Okay.
We're still having trouble IDing that.
Okay.
What's his salvage?
We really got his tattoo.
Okay.
We got found some.
Okay.
Okay.
My name doesn't have the N at the end. It's
Okay.
Fred. I don't know why.
And then there's another guy with a ball cap. He's one of our officers. He does the traffic crash.
Okay, sounds good. I'm gonna get a picture of the street sign, and then I guess I can be the guy in the squad. Sure, they want to leave.
It's only to give them information. So you don't have to give your
Only thing to mention is maybe they might have drugs in their system or something.
I mentioned to her on the phone.
Oh, okay. She already knows.
So, yeah, when I get that kit later, don't worry about the 2 and 3 hours. If she's unconscious, would consume like consecutive. But now, if the parents there give us a hard time, then we can mark her refusal and deal with it then. It would be an impossible case to prove, probably, because we have no tests, nothing. But
Yeah, I'll just I don't know.
Or if
you're on till going through it.
Yeah.
It's a juvenile, so it's kind of I don't know, still everything off a little bit.
you know, yeah, I can go down with you. I don't know. Let's take this up.
But Sunday, yeah, no problem, kid. I'm the shy as the private property.
Yes, yes.
This is the one H1 road all the way.
Yeah, don't catch sheet it, man.
Yeah, there's no private property.
Oh, man. Never mind. No. Hmm? Oh no, I was just gonna say that it technically happened on private property.
Oh, yeah. But they left a
First harmful incident happened on private.
right. That's the.
Oh, yeah.
That's how we always had it.
Oh, yeah. You would never in a million years do a private property on this.
No.
I never even heard of those until I came here. Everything was in a farm. I don't know how we prove it, but this is, in my opinion, probably ag. Vehicular homicide. I've done 2 of those reports. Mm-hmm.
Oh, not oh, they said that she was underage, so not seatbelt.
I cut it out. She was seatbelted. I cut off.
Okay. We didn't have a seatbelt. Okay. So they looked up to me.
So the driver is alive, then
Yes.
front passenger front passenger seat, yes.
Yes.
And he's in the front.
He's deceased.
Yeah, it's just like I'm not my camera's down.
You gotta get out.
You guys on?
Yeah. Should we be on?
I don't know. Should we be on over here?
A homemade.
This is an invest. I don't know. Is that